Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of coffee. Today we'll explore the major coffee-producing regions, types of coffee beans, harvesting methods and coffee processing methods. From the highlands of Ethiopia to the lush landscapes of Colombia, we'll discover the origins of your daily cup. We'll delve into the nuances of Arabica and Robusta beans, the art of harvesting ripe cherries, and the intricacies of processing methods that shape the final flavor profile of your coffee. Let's start by looking at where coffee actually comes from. You might be surprised to learn that coffee can only be grown in a very specific region of the world, a band around the equator known as the Bean Belt. This region, nestled between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn, boasts the ideal conditions for coffee cultivation: warm temperatures year-round, ample rainfall, and altitudes that provide the cool nights essential for slow, flavorful bean development. Within this belt lie some of the most renowned coffee-producing countries. We're talking about the birthplace of coffee itself, Ethiopia, with its diverse heirloom varieties. And then there's Colombia, known for its well-balanced, classic cup profile. Further south we encounter Brazil, the powerhouse of coffee production, responsible for nearly a third of the world's supply. And let's not forget about Vietnam, where Robusta beans reign supreme, adding that extra caffeine kick to our mornings. Each of these regions, with its unique terroir, the combination of soil, climate and altitude, imparts distinct characteristics to the beans, resulting in a tapestry of flavors across the coffee-producing world. From the bright acidity of Kenyan coffees to the chocolatey notes of Indonesian beans, the Bean Belt offers a truly remarkable range of sensory experiences. Now let's zoom in on the stars of the show, the coffee beans themselves. While there are over 100 known species of coffee, only a handful make their way into our cups. The most popular, accounting for the majority of global production, is Arabica. Known for its nuanced flavors, ranging from fruity and floral to nutty and chocolatey, Arabica is often associated with higher quality and a smoother, more delicate cup. Then we have Robusta, aptly named for its robust and intense flavor profile. With higher caffeine content and a bolder, more bitter taste, Robusta is often used in blends to add strength and a kick. But the world of coffee beans doesn't end there. We also have Liberica, a rare variety primarily grown in the Philippines, known for its smoky, woody notes. And let's not forget about Excelsa, another rare find prized for its tart, fruity flavor with hints of dark chocolate. Each bean type, with its unique genetic makeup and growing conditions, contributes to the incredible diversity of flavors we find in the world of coffee. Chapter 3. From Cherry to Bean, the Art of Coffee Harvesting. Before those beans end up in our grinders, they undergo a fascinating journey from farm to cup. It all starts with the coffee cherry, the fruit that houses the precious beans. Harvesting these cherries at peak ripeness is crucial for optimal flavor. This meticulous process can be done in a few different ways. Hand picking, as the name suggests, involves selectively picking only the ripest cherries by hand. This labor-intensive method ensures the highest quality but requires a keen eye and skilled hands. Then there's strip picking, a faster method where all the cherries on a branch are stripped off regardless of ripeness. While more efficient, strip picking requires additional sorting to separate the ripe cherries from the unripe ones. In some regions, mechanical harvesters are used to shake the coffee trees, causing the cherries to fall onto nets spread below. While efficient for large-scale farms, this method can result in a mix of ripe and unripe cherries. Chapter 4. From Bean to Cup, Unveiling the Secrets of Coffee Processing. Once the coffee cherries are harvested, they embark on the crucial stage of processing, where the beans are extracted and prepared for roasting. One of the most common methods is the dry process, also known as natural processing. This traditional method involves spreading the coffee cherries out to dry under the sun for several weeks, allowing the fruit to slowly dehydrate and impart its flavors to the beans. In contrast, the wet process, or washed process, involves removing the outer layers of the cherry before drying. This method results in a cleaner, brighter flavor profile, highlighting the bean's inherent characteristics. The honey process, a more recent innovation, combines elements of both dry and wet processing, leaving some of the fruity mucilage on the bean during drying, resulting in a sweeter, more complex cup. Each processing method, with its unique impact on flavor, adds another layer of complexity to the coffee journey, showcasing the artistry and skill involved in transforming a humble cherry into a flavorful cup. Outro. Until the next sip, thank you for joining us on this coffee journey. We hope you enjoyed learning about the different aspects of coffee production and processing, from the diverse regions of the bean belt to the unique characteristics of Arabica and Robusta. The world of coffee is full of fascinating discoveries. We've explored the meticulous harvesting methods, from hand-picking to mechanical harvesting, each playing a role in shaping the final flavor of your cup. And we've delved into the intricacies of processing, where the dry, wet and honey methods unlock a spectrum of taste profiles. Stay tuned for more coffee insights and tips, where we'll explore the art of brewing, grinding and more.